Digital signage has become an indispensable tool for businesses looking to communicate effectively with their audience. But as we move forward, what trends will shape the future of this technology? Let's explore Yodeck's key predictions for the digital signage industry in 2025 and beyond. First up, of course, we must discuss artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing how digital signage operates. It's no longer just about displaying content. It's about personalization and engagement. Imagine this, walking past a screen that recognizes your preferences and shows you tailored recommendations in real time. That's the power of AI. Businesses can use AI to analyze data, predict customer behavior, and deliver content that feels relevant and timely. For example, a retail store could use AI-powered signage to recommend products based on a customer's past purchases, or even the weather outside. This level of customization not only enhances the customer experience, but also drives sales and loyalty. AI is turning digital signage into a proactive marketing tool rather than a passive one. Brand storytelling is another crucial trend. In 2025's competitive landscape, businesses need to connect emotionally with their audience. Fueled by an unprecedented saturation of digital content, businesses are turning to stronger, more unique storytelling techniques to get attention and set themselves apart from the competition. And digital signage is the perfect medium for this. By using visuals, motion graphics, and carefully crafted narratives, brands can tell their story in a way that resonates. We predict that businesses will leverage digital signage to share their story and help build their brand this year. Storytelling isn't just about marketing. It's about building trust and fostering a deeper connection with your audience. It's not just about sharing information on your digital sign. You should be using your signage to tell everyone who you are and what you stand for. Finally, customization is taking center stage. Modern digital signage allows businesses to tailor their content to specific audiences, location, and even times of the day. This means with Yodeck, you'll be delivering the right message to the right people at the right time. For instance, airports could use multilingual displays that adjust based on the flight schedules and passenger demographics. Customization ensures that every interaction feels relevant and purposeful, enhancing the overall experience and boosting engagement. The bottom line is it's more important now than ever before for businesses to meet customers exactly where they are. Consumers want the content to come to them, to meet their needs. When you target your audience so closely and specifically, you'll be miles ahead of the competition and even closer to creating lasting loyalty and trust with your teams and customers. A few of the trends that we believe will continue to evolve include interactivity. Consumers are increasingly expecting more than passive viewing. People want to interact. Touchscreens, gesture controls, and even voice commands are transforming digital signage into a dynamic two-way experience. Businesses that embrace this trend can create stronger connections with their audience. There's also remote management on the rise. Cloud-based platforms like Yodeck are making it easier than ever to update and manage digital signage across multiple locations. No matter where you are, you can control what's displayed with just a few clicks, ensuring consistency and speed. And let's not forget about data integration. Digital signage is becoming smarter by leveraging data from various sources. Whether it's social media, live updates, or customer analytics, businesses can display relevant and timely information that captures the attention and drives action. The future of digital signage is bright and full of possibilities. By staying ahead of these trends, businesses can connect with their audience in ways that are meaningful, memorable, and impactful. Are you ready to embrace the future of digital signage? If you found this insightful, don't forget to share and subscribe for more updates on the latest in digital technology. Read more in our blog at yodeck.com/blog.